Need to convert a string into a number in Java? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to do it, so your code treats numbers the way it should. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow devs. Alright, let's say I have the number 100, but it's currently in string form, like this. Now if we try to add 100 to it directly, Java won't add the numbers. Instead, it'll just join the two strings together, and you'll get something like 100. To actually convert it into a real number, there are a couple of ways to do that. The first one is using the parseInt method from the integer class. Just pass your string into the method like this. Now, when you use it, Java will treat it as a number, not a string. This is the most common way to turn a string into a primitive integer. Another method you can use is value of, also from the integer class. If we run this, it also returns a number. But this time, it gives you an integer object instead of a primitive int. And that's it. Now you know how to convert strings into actual numbers in Java. Give it a try. It's super straightforward once you get used to it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it around. Catch you in the next one.